The game in the Big Boss 15 house is getting interesting every week. The dynamics are changing in the house, and there are lots of twists and turns happening in the show. After Rakesh Bapat's sudden exit from Big Boss 15, Shamita Shetty has stepped out of the house due to medical reasons. The actress is out for some medical test. She will be back on the show soon. Shamita's mother, Sunanda Shetty, confirmed the news on her social media handle. She wrote, "Hi all Shamsi's loved ones. United we stand and are strong, calm down. Shamsi's medical test required. She will be back soon. Please send her love, light, protection and blessings, as I believe it's very powerful." The exit of Rakesh Bapat from Big Boss 15 came as a surprise for the fans, as they were expecting to see more of the chemistry between him and Shamita Shetty. While everyone was expecting him to make a full recovery and return to the show, Salman Khan announced during Weekend Cover episode that Rakesh will not be coming back. Now this came as disappointing news for his fans. The actor took to his social media account and penned an extremely emotional open letter letting his fans know that while he too had plans. In his letter, Rakesh wrote, "I call all of you my family because this connection you and I have is truly by the heart. I feel blessed to have all of you in my life, sending me prayers, blessings, good wishes, and so much positivity." He continued how life brings unaccepted situation and shared, "Sometimes life throws curveball at you at important junctures and such has been my case." He further revealed that it is because of his fans that he joined the show. "Your love pulled me back in the Big Boss house and yet the stay was short-lived because of health issues that cropped up. A health issue from 5 years ago has cropped up unforeseen and painful. To all of you that you have been asking, I am much better and in recovery, and as all of you have rightly said, health comes first." Rakesh continued that he has formed a special connection with his fans during his journey on the show. "I have formed a special connection through this journey which has become precious, one which you guys have with love named Shara. We both are proud to have all of you in our lives, and for us, the lens of positivity is most important. So keep the positivity flowing." He also expressed his regret on not being able to entertain fans due to health issues and also because he could not bid goodbye in person to his BB15 housemates and viewers. "Remember, if it wasn't for my health, I would be entertaining you inside the house. I never wanted to leave without a proper goodbye, but little did I know in that pain this would become my exit." However, Rakesh maintains that despite his rather short-lived stay in the house, his connection with his fans will continue for a lifetime. "Yet all I can say is this was one small part of the journey. Our connection continues for a lifetime, as I am looking forward to being back on my feet soon to entertain all of you. K. Sara, lots of love, Rakesh."
Subscribe to our channel. Just click on the bell icon for all the latest updates.